Alright, we have a 2011 BMW 750 Li. It's got the n63 twin turbo motor. It came in smoking, and of course, you know, these things are prone to turbo failure and valve seal failure, da 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 da. Well, what do you do to diagnose and fix accordingly? One thing I do is I come over here and I take the turbo off and run the vehicle. And a lot of people are asking, oh, well, how do you keep oil from coming out of the pressure line? And what I do is I pull the pressure line over here and I take the banjo bolt out and I reuse the copper washers, as you can see there, and I cap it. And then these are the two coolant lines. I put a bolt in, then put the clamps back on. And the return line on the turbos, I put a plug down in there. And you know, other people, they're asking, well, how do you run it without the mass airflow sensor, this and that? I don't drive the car like this. I just run it in the bay. And basically what you're looking for is you want to see if there's smoke coming out of this exhaust manifold. And there's residue in the manifold that leads me to believe that there is valve seal issues. So what I'll do here is I'll start the car up and I'll show you what's going to happen if you have bad valve seals. Alright, let's see here. Alright, now if you look closely at the car here, give it a quick rev and it should smoke. It's hard to see the smoke on the video, but it's just pouring out. And if you get to where you don't see any smoke, when you rev on it like that, then most likely your turbo seals are leaking. And so what I do is, if I suspect that it might be a turbo problem, I come over here and I'll smoke test the turbo. And what I'll do is I'll make another video of how to smoke test a turbo to see if it's got bad turbo seals.